What's going on? Wow, it's been a while. Welcome back to Damage TV. This is Damage Creator back with another video. And today, my first video back, I wanted to do something a little different. I actually want to do another beauty video. I haven't done a beauty video in a while. So, I actually want to show you guys an update routine of how I'm shaving my face for the summer. I actually recently just bought some Nair. And I wanted to use it. I actually did a video where I showed Nair. I think it was like a video where it's like items in $10. And I got some new stuff to play with. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I didn't want the intro to be like really long. So what I'm doing right now, I'm going to show you what I'll be using. So I'm using water. I know it was like, oh my god, is that rubbing alcohol you over rubbing alcohol on your face? No. This is actual H2O with a spray bottle. And it's only for the first step that I'm doing. So you're going to need water. Now, the first step is actually an optional step, but I'll just do it anyway. But you're going to need water. I like to customize my old alcohol, rubbing alcohol bottles. And it just happens that this actually fits to the the cap area. So I'm using it. So you're going to need a water bottle or a spray bottle. Doesn't matter, fill with water. A shampoo or shampoo conditioner or both. I'm still using the IsoPlus shampoo conditioner, neutralizer shampoo conditioner. This costs $1.99. And then I am also using another $1.99 product. This is a razor. It doesn't have a brand name or anything. It's just a generic brand razor. It came in a 3-pack. Hopefully I still have that box, and I do. I literally just got these yesterday because the razor that I had previously, unfortunately, the what do you call this? The head of the razor, it just kept popping off. This is not the same brand though, but the head of the razor just kept popping off, and I just couldn't take it, so I ended up just throwing it away. And then I realized while I was shopping that I didn't get a razor, so when I was back to the store for a second time, I ended up getting this. Like I said, there's no brand on it. No brand. It was at least 2 razors in there, but it has like a bonus razor, so it's a 2+1 bonus pack. It has a pivoting head, comfort grip, and then comfort strip. And it has an aloe strip on the pivoting head, so that's really good for the skin. So that's what I'm using. And I'm also using Nair. And I know you're thinking, why are you using a razor in there? What is going to defeat the purpose? Not for me, not really. It's actually going to really teach me how to be more efficient with me shaving. And you're going to need a towel. I don't have my towel around me, but I do have this. This will act as my towel today. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dampen my face. And I got to make sure that I have this in front of me and not this. This is actual rubbing alcohol. I got this for like 50 cents. But yeah, I'm going to dampen my face just for the sake of me shampooing my face. So just a little dampage. Then I'm going to take a dime to quarter size of IsoPlus, and I'm going to wash my face literally. So you can also use soap for this, but I like to use shampoo and conditioner because it helps condition the hair and it's easy to remove. So I'm doing this in the areas that I know need to have, in the unwanted hair areas. So, and this is a really good way to shave without the craziness. This is a really good way to shave because if you are not conditioning or at least washing the hair before using your Nair, then you're just literally just not wanting to save your skin, because I do this to save my skin all the time. So now I'm going to take my towel. I'm going to wipe my face. And you can do this at least once or twice. I'm just going to do it once for the sake of the video. And make sure that you get every bit of soap because you don't want to mix it with the Nair. Alright, so next step, of course, is to apply the Nair. If you have not seen my Beauty Items on $10 video, this is actually $8.29. I got it from Rite Aid. I also have another razor. This costs about like 50 cents. But that's just to do like my face if I need it. I don't think I need it for this. I just need a regular razor, which is $1.99. Gotta be careful. This has a pivoting head, but still gonna be careful. So I'm actually gonna keep it in the protective case because that's what helps me prevent like cuts and stuff. Alright, so I'm going to take just a dime and a quarter size of Nair. I'm going to apply it onto my face where there is pretty much any unwanted hairs. That's on my chin, you know, mustache area. And in the next video, I will be doing my legs. So now do the same method that I did for my legs, for my face that I did for my legs. I'm also going to do my mustache and my neck because there's unwanted hair on my neck and mustache. Alright, so you want to lay a thin layer. I know it says on the bottle to lay a thick layer, but I'm laying a thin layer just because it's only like a few to little hairs. So that's why I'm laying a thick layer. I mean a thin layer. Sorry. So on the instructions it says wait to 3 to 10 minutes, and that's how long I'll be waiting. So I will see you guys in about 3 minutes, yeah. Letting this sit on my face, and I'll see you guys in about 3 to 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been at least 3 minutes, and during those 3 minutes, I have been editing the first part of this video. So now the second part, I'm going to be showing you the ultimate and official removal of the hair. So I am taking the razor. And you can also use a facial razor as well, but I like to use, you know, just a regular basic razor. I also use a razor that's for men because it has more blades, but I am sticking to razors that are for women. But I love using razors that are for men because it gets the hair off much easier. But yeah, that's just my opinion. I'm going to spray this with water. You don't have to do this part. This is another optional part. But I'm going to spray this with water. Just make sure it's nice and damp. And I'm going to start the way I would normally shave, which is downward. So right there. Try not to remove any of my sideburns. And see how it's coming off? You can't really see because of the light, but it's coming off just as good. Nice and gliding off right onto the skin. And from what I was told, this is to help warm up the skin so you can shave it upwards as well. Now I do believe that the new Venus razor you can shave up and down, doesn't matter how you shave, but I prefer this method because it gets the hair off quicker, easier, and it's in little to no time off of my face, like literally. Like I said, during the 3 minutes that I was waiting, I edited the first part of this video. And I have a hair video coming up, but I will upload that video after I do my two facial beauty vids. Well, not facial beauty vids. The my shaving vids. Sounds weird, but when I finish doing my vids on how I get my facial hair removed and ready for summer, I will do that video. And also, I'm gonna try to get some makeup tutorials up there too. And I totally forgot. This does burn, so oh my god, I got on my lip because I'm not using the face cream, but I love using this because it's quicker, easier, and I got good aftershave for it. So it does burn though. It does hurt really bad. Alright, so the next part, I'm following instructions and I'm going to be rinsing this off of my face. So I'm taking my towel for the day and I'm just going to simply just continuously spray. This is to be honest, this is to basically help me not waste too much water. Oh man, I'm bleeding. Oh no, that's not good. You know what I gotta start doing? Biting the skin off my lip. That's how your lips get shut. Like, I didn't know I was bleeding until I wiped my face. I'm gonna wash my face clean, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to actually just wash my face with some. But I will wash my face completely and rinse off completely after I'm done with the video. So I think I'm going to probably title this video face goals, or like, I don't know, my ways of my particular best technique for hair removal. So I'll probably do, I'm maybe going to do hair removal, even entitled as hair removal techniques, and I'm probably going to do I'm probably going to entitle this vid hair removal techniques, and it'll be face edition, and then hair removal techniques legs edition, that'll be in the next video. So that'll be my second upload. My third upload, which is the hair vid, that will be coming within a few weeks. I've been holding on to that video for a while. It's actually stashed in my Google Drive because I did the entire video on my phone. So yeah, I will see you all next time.